mad today? Me. So, I was supposed to be in the film The Many Monsters of Sadness. I was supposed to be a student extra. And my parents wouldn't take me to be in it today. So, do you think that's a reason to be really pissed off? You were not able, you had a chance to be in a movie, couldn't go. Nobody get off their lazy ass and take you? Isn't that acceptable? Ha ha ha. So mad. I'm like, Okay. I told my mom I was going to eat her. Not like that. Not in the dirty way. That's just sick. I'm just kidding though. Seriously. My dad came in my room and was like, hi, and I was like, fuck you. And then he was like, don't say that. I'm Bible man or something like that. And I'm like, oh, okay, a Bible gripper. And then I was taking a shower this morning, he bangs on the door and it's like, oh, save some water for the earth, save the earth. And I'm like, bitch, the earth is dead. And yeah, so I hope you guys have a great day. And I'm seriously mad. Have a good day. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.